Hello 11th standard students, welcome back to sets, and today we are going to see in exercise 1.1. Already we have seen the roster form and a set builder form, isn't it? So in exercise 1.1, sum number 3, where we are going to write it in roster form. In what form these sets are given? They are given in set builder form, isn't it? Because there is a description, there is a definition how to write the elements. So now we are going to list out the elements, which is called as the roster form. Okay, so in roster form, let me do the first one, where a equal to x such that x is an integer, and one more condition is given, minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So how are we going to do? To do this easily, you draw the number line. Okay, number line will give you more clear definition how to write this. Okay, so they starting from minus 3, so I will start from minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since it goes up to 7, let me extend this line. Okay, up to 7. Again, drawing the number line, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and here you have plus infinity. Okay, and you can also write this line. Now see the interval, this is called as interval. To interval I will come in the later lessons. Now just you listen what you have to do. Here in the left hand side they have given minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 I am taking minus 3. Okay, minus 3. Why I am including minus 3? They are given the symbol as less than or equal to. If you see this equal to symbol along with less than or greater than, then this says you have to include that number. Okay, that number. So how will I start? I will start with minus 3 first. Then after that it goes up to less than 7. If this symbol you see, you should not include that particular number. Okay, include that number. Okay, because there is no that equal to symbol below this less than. So your interval starts from minus 3 and ends up to not 7, before 7. Okay, so what are the elements you will list? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Have we to include 7? No, 7 should not be included since your symbol is less than 7. So you are not including 7. Okay, this is how you are going to write the roster form. To make it easy, I have given you the number line. If you don't want the number line also, you can directly also do. But if you put the number line and do, it will be easy for you to understand the elements, and you will not skip even a single element from that. Okay, so here in 7 you have got the symbol less than 7, so here I will put a open circle. Okay, whereas here I will put a shaded circle. Okay, all this you will cover later, but just for now you note it down what you are going to do. Where less than or equal to, you are putting a shaded circle. When it is less than without equal symbol, you are putting an open circle, and the number specified in the given sum. Okay, so this is sum number 1, and one more sum I will do for you is fifth one, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So what is given in the fifth one? The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. What is the spelling? trigonometry. Is the spelling correct? Okay, trigonometry. Okay, okay. So let us go. Now, as I told you, one important note we have got, isn't it? What is the important note? We have to list the elements in roster form. We will keep this set as A. Okay. Now I will name this as B. In English alphabet, you can name the sets with capitals, any alphabet from A to Z. Okay, it need not be only A or B or C. Okay, you can name it as X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, anything. Okay. Now set of all letters in the word. So what the note do you recognize here? Here you should not write the letters repeatedly you can write only once. So what are the letters that repeat? T, how many times? 2 times. Then O, how many times? 2 times. Any other letter? R. R is repeating 2 times. Here, this is R 2 times, T 2 times, and O 2 times. Any other letter is repeating? No. So, what are the letters you are going to write? T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, and T and R you have already written. So, Y. Okay. So, how many letters totally you have got in this roster form? And between you have to put the commas because you are listing the elements. Without commas, you should not write the elements. Okay. So, now you can check whether we have written only once. So, T 2 times. So, T once only I have written. R 2 times. R only once I have written. And then I, G, O again 2 times I have written only one. And then comes N, and then comes M, and then comes E. T and R already have written. So, you are writing out V. So, when you mark like this, which are the elements are repeated, you will not make a mistake when listing in the roster form. You will write the elements only once. Okay, understood? I think this is clear, and I hope you can finish the remaining problems. In 6 problems, in 6 problems I have done 2. So remaining 4 you try out in the same method. Okay, thank you students.